many different amazing things. Like these giraffes running, it's something that you would be able to see on land, but from that view, it's just something that is next level. Um, yeah, it's something that I'm really appreciative of, and something that I feel like is definitely a payoff after a good day's hard work. But just put together a little compilation of videos and pictures of various wildlife that I came across, not only while doing the vet work, but also on a safari as well. So, hope you enjoy.